Have you ever just really wanted to practice your movement in Rivals? This is a practice video right here. I can show you how to do this. Oops. Oh, okay. Nice. See? You could learn how to do that one day. And that too, maybe. But I suck. I'm just a casual player, really. Alright. Let's practice our crouching and sliding too. First, press that button. Try to move at the end. Now you're doing that. That's called a slide. I heard Sweats use it a lot, but I don't really understand it yet. Oh, oops. Okay, we're gonna continue that for a while. Gonna practice that all around the map, really. Right. With fists, you can now double jump. Just press the jump button twice while mid-air. So you could do that too, if you ever hit an obstacle, of course. You can combine all of your skills together to make that. Amazing, isn't it? What a player can do inside a Roblox game. Too bad you have to learn it from a pro. I'm joking, really.